everyone, it's Annette your Fairydust Nails, and this year 2021 I'm going to try and do a little bit more videos for you, and I'm going to make them shorter and maybe just one nail at a time with very simple art. And then we're going to start again with the basics a little bit later on, and maybe that is something that you'll enjoy, just to go refresh your memories. But as for today, just one nail, one simple design, that you can just make sure that your client walks out of the door that little bit extra happiness. Okay, so what I'm going to use is a white gel. I've already done this nail, prepped it, put one layer of acrylic, plain simple color, neutral color on the nail. So I'm going to take one of my art brushes, and I use this little silver plate for my gel. Oh, excuse me, that was a lacquer sneeze. And you know what, for all these videos, I know it's not 100% correct or the right thing to do, but I've got a little bit of gels that's a little bit older, so I'm trying to use all that in the actual videos instead of using my current gels, so you'll see. I'm also going to open it up for you, a little bit of glitter. And that is the only thing that we'll use. Just to start, once I've done that nail, we will put on a matte top coat. We want a matte effect with a little bit of glitter. So, this is the, oh, let me just get it in focus. There we go. Satin Matte Top Gel from Glampro that I'm going to put on the nail. And you'll see tips as we go along. I'll give them as we go along every video, okay? So when you press down, you'll see that I've got a very nice brush here, but when you press down on your brush, it forms that arch there by the nail, and so you will push it as close as you can, not touching the cuticle, and pull it down on the side wall. Then just spread the gel a little bit on your side wall and on your tip, and that's more than enough for what we need. So now we're just going to cure it for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this nail has been cured. It's a matte top coat that we've put on. So now I take my art brush, and we're just going to do a simple design. I'm going to start there and just pull it down. You can do the swirls and the angles as you wish. Okay, I'm just going to go like this. And maybe just split the nail a little bit there. And this one will do full. Okay, so it takes a bit of time, but it's not a lot of effort. Okay, I use a little spoon to just pick up my glitter, have the little container underneath, and spray it over. Okay, batch off the excess, and then we're going to bake it for 30 seconds. Once it's been baked for the 30 seconds, I'm just brushing off the excess glitter so that we can see what the design looks like. Then we're going to take some more white gel maybe just draw another line. Maybe just draw another one, and now we're going to put a little bit more glitter. I must just say that I like using very fine glitter for this. So I'm going to just cure it for another 30 seconds. And you know what? If you need me to do a video for you on something that you've got a question or something that you would like me to show you, or that you're not sure of. I've been doing nails for nearly 19 years. I won't call myself an absolute expert, but I absolutely love doing nails. And I mean, I think over the years I've picked up a lot of little tricks and nicks that I can help you with, or just to make it a little bit easier for you. Yes, so whenever you've got a question, I will gladly make a video and answer it for you. Same process goes for this lot. Just wiping off here. Sorry. Okay, and I think maybe just to change it up a little bit, I'm going to make like a circle kind of effect here. Right down to the side, right down to the side. There's a little gap there when we throw the next lot of glitter, so it'll catch that. Yes, and I think that is it. Let's put a little bit more glitter on it and then cure it for another 30 seconds. And I think we'll be basically done. Let's just cure it quickly for another 30 seconds. You can do this. I've tried to use now the light color today, but you can do this in a matte black with black glitter. You can do this in a blue with a blue glitter. This is one of the designs that you can even do royal blue acrylic with gold glitter. It's an endless design where you can do like thousands and thousands of combinations of glitter and acrylic. And if you do one accent nail on each hand, it's perfect. It's for those clients that just wants a little bit of a simple something. There we go. This is all done. I'm just going to brush it off. I will just touch it a little bit with a nail file on the side to make sure that it's perfect. This one, of course, is Melia's finger, so this is perfect. There we go. Dust it off some more, and there you go. Very simple and easy. Hope you enjoyed this, and maybe we'll try a black one next time with a little bit of a different design. Hope you enjoyed this. Speak to you soon. Have a great evening, and ciao, bye.